Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you all practical number 6.1 for TYCS data science. Let me go ahead with the question. This is the question here. So, talking very simple linear regression. So, I'll tell you in the very simple words. It helps us to understand how one thing affects the another thing and allows us to predict values. So, that is what simple linear regression is. There is a formula where we say y is equal to a plus b x. So we have a dependent variable y and x is my independent variable. A is the intercept, that is value of y when x is equal to 0. B is equal to slope, how much y changes when x increases by 1. So let me go ahead with the code. Import numpy as np, import pandas as pd, import math.live.py plot has plot. The above three libraries which is mentioned, I have already explained to you in the previous video. So you can have a look onto it. Next we have from sk.learn underscore model import linear regression. So this is basically a machine learning model where we use to create regression. Next we have from sklearn.metrics import r2 underscore score comma mean underscore square error. So this imports the performance metrics, that is r2 underscore score, which measures my model accuracy, and we have mean underscore square error which measures my error. Next, I've created a data set which of two things. One is my hours underscore studied and second is exam underscore score. Here I'm creating a dictionary. Hours studied is my independent variable, exam score is my dependent variable. Df is equal to pd.data frame data. I'm converting the dictionary into a data frame, that is table like column. Next, I mentioned x is equal to df hours underscore studied. That is my independent variable. X is the input, double brackets, we keep it for 2D format, which is required in your sklearn. And y is equal to df exam underscore score. Y is the output, and that is my dependent variable. Next, I mentioned model is equal to linear regression. This creates a linear regression model object. Next is model.fit x comma 5. It trains the model using the data. It calculates the intercept and the slope, which fits the best straight line. Next, we have as intercept is equal to model.intercept underscore. Now, this will get my intercept. The value of score when ours is will be 0. Next is slope is equal to model.coefficient 0. That is, it gets the slope and it will see how much score increases for 1 extra hour. Next, we have print simple linear equation model, that is my heading. Next, we have print intercept, comma intercept. It will print all the coefficient values for my intercept and the slope. Next, we have print regression equation. Same thing, this might just a label. Then we have print exam underscore score is equal to intercept colon dot 2f plus slope dot 2f multiplied by hours underscore study. This is the formula. It prints the final regression equation with proper formats. Next, we have y underscore pred is equal to model dot predict x. It predicts the exam score using the regression equation. These are the estimated values. We have as r2 is equal to r2 underscore score y comma y underscore pred. It calculates my r2 score. R2 is basically tells how well the model fits the data. There is a range, that is 0 to 1. If it is closer to 1, we can say it is a better model. Next, we have MSC, that is mean underscore square underscore error y comma y underscore predict. It calculates the mean square error, that is the average of squared error. RMC is equal to NP dot square root MSC. It calculates root mean square error in the original unit, that is the marks. Next, we have print slash n model performance and print hyphen. So whatever I have mentioned inside my double quotes, it's just a heading will be printed as it is. Next, I have mentioned this print r squared r2 comma r2. So it performs the performance result. Next, we have mean square error, then we have root mean square. So for all the three, it will print all the performance results. Next, we have plot or scatter x comma y. Color is equal to blue. Label is equal to actual data. So it plots the actual data points with a blue color. Next, we have plot or plot x comma y underscore predict comma color is equal to red. Label is equal to regression line. So it plots the best fit line, that is my red color. Next, we have as plot dot x label r study, plot dot y label exam score, plot dot title simple linear regression. X label is basically the x-axis label and Y label is y-axis label. And plot or title is my title of the graph. Next we have plot dot legend, which shows the legend. Next we have plot dot show, which displays the graph. So I'll show you the output. This is the output. So you can see I have intercept values and slope value. The starting score when ours is that is 0, which increases in score per extra hour studied. Then we have R2 close to 1, that is 0.9 AA, that is my strong relation. It has low MSE and RMSE, that is a small error to good model. So this shows me a positive linear relationship between our studies and exam score. As the study hours increases, the exam score also increases. So model performance is good if R2 is high and RMC is low. I hope you all have understood. If there is any doubt related to the topic, you all can drop a comment. Thank you.